Welcome to this exclusive video. Today we are in Shaw Center. We are going to be doing a full lift tour of the lift in Shaw Center. There will be no cuts in this video, but timestamps will be put in the description. So enjoy. Let's start with the main lift lobby. This is lift F, which was recently opened. Amazing indicator. Nice fixtures. There's the door jam indicator. We have just arrived at the 26th floor.
Level 26.
And here we are at 26. Let's go to the port panel. Let's put it on handicap mode.
This group serves floor 27 through 1. Please press again
gotta wait
when you
a while.
hear your destination. 27, 7, car F.
Car F. Here's the lantern. Let's take a look at this stuff. Here's the mechanical things. Let's look in there. Apparently my flashlight is not very strong, so sorry about that. Okay, let's go to 7 and we'll continue the lift tour on from there. These lifts are amazing. Go touchless.
Level 7.
Door opens and closes slower on handicap mode. So yeah, that's cool. See it depart. Stand here. Okay. Let's move on to Fireman Lift H, which conveniently is right here. This was recently modernized and yeah, has a brand new door. Let's have a look. Oh, is it out of service? Okay, it's out of service. That's a shame. Okay, never mind. My camera, my bad. Okay, let's move on to the cargo lifts in Shaw House. Here's the car park. Let's go to the cargo lobby, which is right here. Alright, here we are. Oh, this one seems to be out of service. Lift on maintenance mode. Okay. This might be a long wait for the lift, but it's okay. Patience is key. Went past. Probably should have pressed down, but too late now. Never mind. Let's do the office lifts first. We can do these ones later. I'll do those ones too. after the Shaw House office lifts. Okay, here we are. 6 Schindler Port. Let's go to 22.
22, lift L6.
Lift L6. Now we just wait. Okay, it's here. Very nice indicator.
Level 22, going down.
Level 22. Let's read this. Nice. Let's try and guess the pin. Probably won't be able to get it, but worth a try maybe. Yeah, I knew it. It's got to be one.
Basement 1, lift L6.
Okay, to basement 1 we go. Floor -1. Strange marking. Look at the interior. There's a Schindler fan thing, air purifier.
Basement 1, going up.
Right.
You have to go up to level 1.
Yeah, alright. Wait, can I go 7? Like car park?
You have to go to the other.
Alright.
Too late.
7, lift
L6.
L.
Alright, thank you. Okay, let's go back up to 7. And we'll film the lifts on the other side. These lifts are amazing. So posh.
Level 7, going up.
L6, L5, L4. Nice port panels, card reader over there. See this, we have modernized our elevators to serve you better. Yes, these new elevators do indeed serve us better. So, good job to Schindler. Okay, let's go over to these lifts as I mentioned before. The Isetan lift. No one's using them, so we're gonna get the lift to ourselves as usual. Let's go back here. Should have used 0.5 for this video, but my 0.5 camera is kind of dirty, so yeah. Okay, the left lift is about to arrive. There we go. Let's go in. Let's go to 9. It's the service panel. Permit to operate is the indicator, and another, whatever you call it,
Level 9,
indicator.
going up.
Let's go to B. It's raining outside, so I'm gonna be stuck here for quite a while till I can go back to the hotel, because I do not want to get rained on. So yeah. Wow, the lifts in this complex are awesome. So fancy. also has a air purifier thingy.
Basement 1. Going down.
Yeah, going up. Let's go. Welcome.
Level 7. Going up.
You're welcome. Alright, let's go up to 9 and then we'll switch lifts. Wow, nice indicator. Super nice cab.
Level 9. Going up.
Level 9, going up. Gee, never mind, let's go to 7 because I'm more familiar with 7 than 9. So, yeah. Bonus ride for you. The top indicator is kind of not in sync with these main indicators. But
Level 7. Going down.
I don't think that's really a problem though. These lifts are still very good. Okay, nice. So, okay. Let's try these cargo lifts again. Depends on what the wait time might be. Hope I don't have to wait a while. Oh yeah, this one's just up one. Yeah, we could take it. Alright, it's on the way. This one is stuck. Probably not stuck, just undergoing maintenance. That lift has stopped at 2. Serving other passengers right now. Okay, now we just wait. Stopped at 3. Hurry up, bro. Finally, it's here. Okay, let's go up to 21. Tiny indicator. It's like about the size of this. Notice. What does this say? Level 5 and 6 renovation work. Okay. So then I guess let's not go to level 5 or 6. Wasn't planning to go there anyway, so not really a problem. Door hold.
Level 21. Going up.
Let's go down. You can see a shaft light up in there. Okay, close. Close, close. Please, please close. Thank you. Okay. Nice lift. Touchless button.
Level 7. Going down.
Okay. Let's move on to some other lift I saw, but I walked past it. So let's go back there. It's just over there. Never filmed these lifts before. Not sure what these ones are. Lift lobby B. Oh, I think it's the mall lift lobby B. Okay, let's go up. Let's go down. My bad. That one's just chilling at 2. This one's coming to serve. Ooh. Nice. Go to 1. Is this open? Ah, it's locked. It's almost open. Try and see if we can look inside. I can't read. Oh, 5.
Level 5. Going down. Level 4. Going down.
This amazing bronze cabin.
Level 3. Going down.
Hello.
Level 1. Going down.
Let's go back up to 8 and then we'll continue from there. Oh crap, I pressed 3. Okay. I think every single lift in this building has one of these air purifier things. Indicators and voice are by Pixel Tech.
Level 8.
So are the fixtures, I think. But the elevator is of course by Schindler. So let's try and find another lift. Not sure where all the elevators here may be, but I don't know. Let's try and look for lift lobby C. That's lift lobby A. Up here is just the car park. Where is lift lobby C? I have no idea. I think it might be there. I hope it's there. I don't want to walk all that way just to find out that it's not there. Otherwise I'm gonna be sad. You know what? I'm just gonna run. I don't want to walk all that way. It's gonna be too time consuming. any lift? Oh, there it is. It was here. That's good to know. Lift lobby C. This lift is barely used. Pretty much nobody uses this lift. So this is just the car park here, and lift lobby C is right here. To anyone who's been wondering. Instead of Pixel's chimes, this lift has its own Schindler chimes. And voice announcements as well. They're not Pixel, they're original Schindler. So let's go up to 10. Level 10. Level 2. This lift has a 90-degree door layout. So yeah, as you can see, it's currently raining, and oh, here's another lift. I did not. Oh, lucky find. I seriously did not know this was here. I just came here for fun. Yeah, here's a random platform lift. I had no idea this was here. This is definitely not by Schindler. Okay, let's go to 1. Or press and hold. If you let go, it stops. Yeah. Wow, I genuinely had no idea this lift was here. Let's go back up. This lift is nice. It has a fan up there. There you go. Emergency stop. Alright. That was just a lucky find because I seriously had no idea this lift was here. So yeah, let's see it go. Okay, let's go back to lift lobby C. Let's go up to let's go up to, what should we go up to? I think 9. 9 was the last floor I was in. It's on the way. Wow, okay. This lift was used a bit more than I thought. Door key, no, triangle. There's the stairs. There's the fire switch to enable fireman mode. Alright. Okay, so that was lobby C. Let's watch that lift go. Alright. You can actually see the green lights in there. There's no door frame, so you can actually see in here. See, let's send it down to 8. Just so you can see the speed of that lift going away. Yep, there it goes. PRG. Alright, let's go back there. Not sure if there are any other lifts in this complex except for Fireman Lift H, which was sadly out of service. But I'll walk around, you know, if I find something else, then of course I'll film it. There's a view around the car park. It's quite dark actually. Don't know why the lights are off. They're probably on timer. It's only 4:16. But it's dark because it's raining. I don't know what building is that. I might have a look at it later on, but in a separate video, because obviously that building is not Shaw Center or Shaw House. Okay, let's see Cargo Lift H again, even though it's out of service. Let's just have a look. Yeah, it's completely dead. Maybe let's try it from a different floor. Even though it's unlikely, maybe those buttons could just be broken. Let's go to 8.
8, car F.
Car F. Look at these nice Schindler port panels. Car F. This amazing cabin. Close up.
Level 8.
Okay. Cargo Lift H. See if it might work from this floor. Nope. Nothing. Okay, let's go to the first floor because Lift H only indicator is on the first floor, so let's go. Level 3. They pressed 2, even though they weren't going to 2. But never mind, it's fine. Not a problem with me. The car top hatch, it's locked. Level 1. Let's go to level 1 and see if we can ride Fireman Lift H from there. Or at least let's see what the indicator says. Might say out of service or maintenance or whatever.
Level 1.
So Fireman Lift H would be I need to look harder. Where would Fireman Lift H be? think it's harder to find on the first floor than on the 7th floor or 8th floor, the car park floors. Never mind. I'll go to the 7th floor and take the I'll go to the whatever the lowest floor of the car park is and take the stairs from there. So bear with me. What's the lowest car park floor here? I'm just gonna assume it's 6. Let's wait for that lift to go first.
7,
Car E. Okay, let's just take the stairs from 7. It'll take a while, but oh well. Just bear with me. Yeah, not responding. So here's the staircase. It's got that classic old feeling. I guess that explains it, because this was built in about, I have no idea, 1970s or so. It's like quite an old building. Feel free to speed up this video if you want, or skip by a few seconds, because we're at 6. This might take a while. So yeah, sorry about that. Oh, it's dark in this bit. Oh, automated light. My phone is only on 12% battery, so 12%, so I'm gonna have to wrap this video up pretty soon, but I think I'll be okay for now. Okay, one more floor to go. Staircase is kind of crappy, but I think the modernization plan focuses on the lifts, not the stairs. Okay, let's see what this indicates. Oh. Wow. Wow. Out of order. Whoa. That's epic. That's absolutely epic. See the parts here. That's so cool. Quite scared to take a look at this car top though, because he might be a technician. So yeah, that's the lift car top. So yeah, this is an amazing exclusive look. My luck in this video just keeps on getting higher and higher. I'm not gonna mess with anything because I'm scared that a technician will just spawn out of nowhere and scold me. As you can see it's being held with a screwdriver. So yeah, that's kind of unlucky that the lift was out of service. But I can hear inside there's the advertisement screen playing, so this lift has definitely been upgraded with a TFT display. Used to be an LED, but now I guess it's been upgraded to TFT. Oh, turns out I did not have to climb all those stairs. Okay, where should we go? That's a mail room. Nothing to do with me. Oh, okay, that's just a dumping area. This is so cool. I shouldn't really look at this too much though, because angry technician might come. So yeah. Well, I guess I've pretty much filmed every lift unit in the Shaw Center and Shaw House area. So I guess that's gonna pretty much conclude it. If I've missed out anything, then please let me know. I'll retake it. Any lift that was out of service at this time, like Fireman Lift H, I will attempt to retake that once service has restarted. So that concludes it for today of my Shaw Center and Shaw House lift tour. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.